I'm Chris Wood from Ocean 3D. What we do is we make 3D photographic tours of workplaces and cultural attractions. My partner, who's a special educational needs, disability and inclusivity professional, saw the equipment and saw what it could do. She spotted that these are perfect for helping people with autism, invisible injuries, high anxiety, because it allows them to journey plan and generally check out a building they might need to visit. But what helped Ocean 3D be more inclusive than ever in the service we offer was a grant to buy a new 4K camera. We've been massively helped by the grant funding from the Inclusivity Project to take our work to the next level with more detailed shots, which means that we can help more people can see a clearer image. We can make tours for cultural organisations like museums and the Penley Lifeboat Station so that they can show all their customers that they count. Employers can use our 3D tours so that people who've been nervous about where to come for an interview or where they'd be working can lower their anxiety by seeing the workplace for themselves. If you want to include people with different physical abilities or neurodiversity, or you want to adapt around people's long-term health conditions like anxiety, sometimes it's doable if you just get the right kit. If there's one word we'd use to summarise what we do, it's accessibility.
As well as giving grants, the Inclusivity Project pays for research and development time, along with advice from our team of experts and academics. If you want to explore digital solutions to health in the workplace, we'll help to take the idea to the next level.